Good morning, members of the board. Again, my name is Jacob Puckett, and I want to highlight a couple aspects of transit ridership concerning the proposed Southwest Corridor light rail project that I find a bit concerning. In 2035, the proposed rail line is forecast to carry over 41,000 people per average weekday, but max ridership projections have consistently been overinflated. Figure 1 on the handout in front of you shows the projected ridership for each line in the year 2020 based on when the environmental impact statements for each line were written. It's nearly 2020, so we can measure those predictions, and as you can see, none of them are really that close. The orange line is the closest to where it's supposed to be, with 59% so far of expected 2020 ridership, and total ridership is 58% of 2020 expectations. Since the proposed light rail line is also currently covered by 9 bus lines, I calculated the ridership trends of those 9 bus lines since 2001, which is shown in figure 2. And as you can see, total bus ridership starts to rise for a couple of years, but it's been trending steadily down since 2009. And is now 3.5% lower than it was previously in 2001. Additionally, the populations of the communities in the Southwest Corridor, Tualatin, Tigard, and Lake Oswego, all grew during this time. So I calculated the number of transit riders as a percent of the population that would be using the available transit, which is shown in figure 3 on the handout. Another way to calculate this would be from annual reports from the City of Portland Auditor, which you can see in figure 4. So while the population increased, the amount of bus transit ridership along the Southwest Corridor didn't even hold steady proportionally. It declined. Taken together, I think that these data point away from the effectiveness of building another rail line. That not only are there reasons to question the projected ridership, but transit ridership trends in the Southwest Corridor also call into question one of the reasons for building it in the first place. Thank you again for the chance to testify.
All right.